Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Asphalt Cowboys TV. And today, we've got things going on both sides of the garage. We got Cory over here doing T28 turbo stuff to his S13 SR. If you haven't already, check out the video. We're going to drop a link in the description right in there. And on this side of the garage, we are doing tow mods. We're going to put a True Max Cool transmission cooler on the Tahoe. So, a little preventative maintenance, help her out along the way of the tow. So, we're going to start out by taking off each one of these clips. I think there's 8. Boom, 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 boom. We're missing one. That'll take off this panel, and then we're probably going to have to take the headlight out. And this should be bolted in by, I think, 2 bolts. I'm not sure, but... Alright, so we've got a bolt here. Well, I don't know. That looks like we're going to have to unscrew that. And we got a 10 mil up in here. And that should do it. I think there's one down here. Yeah, 2 down here. 1 on each side. Alright guys, so now that I've got this unbolted here, you take those, turn them halfway to the left, they unbolt. There are 2 clips that are in either side. You're going to have to trust me on this. It's going to be kind of, and you're off. That will reveal the massive Chevy tranny cooler that they provided you with from the factory. That is completely caked with 25 years of road dirt and grime. So what we're going to do is take this system off. We're going to mount up our new system and lop our lines and connect. Add some fluid and then we're done. Alright guys, so this is what came with the kit. I will drop a link in the description for the, I think I got this on Amazon for like 120 bucks or something like that. Maybe it was 130 bucks. I don't know. But it came with all the fittings that you're going to need right here. It came with a big thing of instructions, but we're not going to use those because we don't need them. Came with some hose. Basically, you're going to lop off the old lines and attach it with these hose clamps that they gave you. And this. And that's supposed to be sufficient enough, so we're going to see. But other than FedEx dropping it, I'm going to say it's probably going to work pretty good. Alright, while Jeff's doing that, just a little comparison. In this case, boys, size does matter. Don't let her lie to you. Would you look at that? Just look at her. Pretty big. So, yeah, we're going to, looks like, mount on them crossbars because it literally goes perfect. Sweet. And yeah, it goes this way. Alright, okay guys, so I got the pipe cutter out. We're just going to go around this and cut this on both sides. So we're all about doing things easy, so we self-tappered it to the thing, and it's on there. It ain't going anywhere. Next, the only thing left to do is maybe bend these so that it's a little easier for the line, or like better flow, and connect it. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're going to cut some more of this off just so that everything flows nicely. We cut this one so it's straight up and down. We put the fittings in. We should put some thread tape around there, but we don't know where it's at. So Teflon. Yeah, the Teflon tape's MIA right now until I find it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what we did. We cut the lines to length, put the hose clamps on, added some Teflon tape to here, and the job is done. It was super simple. There was nothing to it. Nothing to it but to do it. So now we're just letting it warm up, and we're gonna check the level in the cans once it's warm, and then throw it all back together. Make sure we ain't got any leaks. But it's looking like we're pretty good. It's not a real high pressure system. It's pretty low pressure. So yeah, this is a good mod if you want to make sure that your transmission temps stay low. Like I said, I'm going to drop a link down in the description so you can find it. What she said, that's no low.
That's gone what? What the fuck?
Chicken pop. That's on 5 or 4?
I don't know. That's like 5. I'm old.
I'm ancient and I can't see anything.
I don't know what it says either. Alright guys, so if you like what you saw in the video, please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. It helps us out so much and we appreciate all of our subscribers. And stay tuned because we have a lot more stuff coming. We love you. Thank you. Oh shit, I almost dropped that.